Question 1. What did Joseph Priesley discover in 1774? A. Hydrogen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Oxygen. Correct answer D. Oxygen. Next question. Question 2. What temperature does water boil at? A. 110 C. B. 100 C. C. 180 C. D. 150 C. Correct answer B. 100 C. Next question. Question 3. Who invented the telephone? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Bell. C. Thane Dam. D. Kripacharya. Correct answer B. Bell. Next question. Question 4. Golf player Vijay Singh belongs to which country? A. India. B. Fiji. C. UK. D. USA. Correct answer B. Fiji. Next question. Question 5. First human heart transplant operation conducted by Dr. Christian Bernard on Louis Washkansky was conducted in A. 1958, B. 1922, C. 1967, D. 1968. Correct answer C. 1967. Next question. Question 6. FFC stands for A. Federation of Football Council. B. Film Finance Corporation. C. Foreign Finance Corporation. D. None of the above. Correct answer B. Film Finance Corporation. Next question. Question 7. Hitler Party which came into power in 1933 is known as A. Ku Klux Klan. B. Democratic Party. C. Labour Party. D. Nazi Party. Correct answer D. Nazi Party. Next question. Question 8. For which of the following disciplines is Nobel Prize awarded? A. Literature, Peace and Economics. B. Physics and Chemistry. C. Physiology or Medicine. D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All of the above. Next question. Question 9. Eritrea, which became the 192nd member of the UN in 1993, is in the continent of A. Africa. B. Australia. C. Europe. D. Asia. Correct answer A. Africa. Next question. Question 10. Entomology is the science that studies A. The origin and history of technical and scientific terms. B. Behavior of human beings. C. Insect. D. The formation of rocks. Correct answer C. Insects. Next question. Question 11. Grand Central Terminal Park Avenue, NW York is the world's A. highest railway station, B. longest railway station, C. largest railway station, D. none of the above. Correct answer C. largest railway station. Next question. Question 12. Who amongst the following had called Rabindranath Tagore as the Great Sentinel? A. Abul Kalam Azad, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer B. Mahatma Gandhi. Next question. Question 30. In which state India's first vertical lift railway bridge is being built? Tamil Nadu. A. Tamil Nadu, B. Punjab, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer A. Tamil Nadu. Next question. Question 14. In which city India's first brain health clinic has been started? A. Bangalore, B. Jaipur, C. Delhi, D. Mumbai. Correct answer A. Bangalore. Next question. Question 15. What is the purpose of the Dak Karmayogi portal launched by the Department of Post? A. Employee salary plan, B. Staff training, C. Employees pension scheme, D. Retirement plan. Correct answer B. Staff training. Next question. Question 16. Which Indian state has launched a new scheme named Nari Ko Naman? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Punjab, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer C. Himachal Pradesh. Next question. Question 17. The initiative named Startup School India has been announced by A. Facebook, B. Twitter, C. Google, D. Amazon. Correct answer C. Google. Next question. Question 18. World Mosquito Day is celebrated on which day in August? A. 21st August, B. 20th August, C. 22nd August, D. 23rd August. Correct answer B. 20th August. Next question. Question 19. Which city of Madhya Pradesh became fully functionally literate? A. Bhopal, B. Jaipur, C. Kanpur, D. Mandala. Correct answer D. Mandala. Next question. Question 20. Which chief minister launched the Make India #1 mission recently? A. Nitish Deshmukh, B. Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi, C. Narendra Modi, D. Lalu Prasad Yadav. Correct answer B. Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi.